Big up Crosses TV.
Practice TV, catch this.
Hear that? Memories. Now live like people bumper clad do. So when I see me defenseful so not pussy test. Nobody tell me to run my life. I got you enough shit. And I me myself hold it. No fun know that I name out a blood clot marriage bag. Right. Rubbish pan. I'm still progressive and stand sweet and nice. And I leave blood clot me alone. Yeah, man, the people them say my teeth, the bag. Them all demonstrate how me throw my court. Yeah, man. Enough accuse me get. Them shoot a blood clot man in England. And them say me call the gunman them. No, they can't tell me for blood. And then they can't threaten me. Me's a walking blood clot skeleton. Yo, baby. Yeah, me the alive. Yeah, well. Bye. Yeah. When was I dead? So what's dead in front of me? When was dead a laba with the man them? I say, what's come? From here the man said the pussy for dead and forget gunshot. I say, you cannot talk to man. And here man I just make them trick there and still attack to him. I'm a call what's a Jay, I'm afraid and I'm still there attack to him and I tell what's I did a minute from now. No stinking blood clot like Queenie. Can't come tell me, she awful and she all and she grandmother, una and the grandmother come kiss out my blood clot, cannot make me busy with my blood clot grandmother. Una know what I got you in a life. Bumble wall. I still stand up blood clot progressive and share with people. And be kind to people and say people blood clot use me. I abuse me and the whole on the sit down and tell me something for hide and kill my blood clot self. Who no? None of blood clot no can't come. I'm put her red for the dirty blood clot them. We each upon blood clot this. You think my business on one type say? I don't know how much me bumble clot got you in a life to stand blood clot firm in England. I know I come tell but me can't come to Jamaica. I got show none of got blood clot curry goat me. And nobody in a blood clot tell me say me could not drop them cause any blood clot drop them when I drop them, I drop them 100 million blood clot time. Cause me I got treat. One of can imagine and sympathize. Me no want nobody to sympathize and patronize blood clot me. Who feels it blood clot know me. If you're not blood clot team royal, blood clot loyal crazy, come suck. And bite. And lick. Leave blood clot me alone and not dare me. I send blood clot. Me say me not afraid of no blood clot, but how much time I'm not gonna threaten me. You don't know what I got you? Right just in England. Me now one car. I sell stolen shoplifting goods. 2 man in my back. 2 baby in my middle. And me I look my honest brother hustle. And 3 man come from nowhere and start bake shot in the blood clot car when me sit down in the front. No can't tell me nothing. I don't know I got you in a life. Look for me. Me honestly, generously, going to a car, I sell my shoplifting goods them. And those two men when I back I carry two kids them. Three other men from nowhere come shoot up the car. I know everybody, all of them. But my point is, and me the blood clot all those stumble down pan. Me. Johnny Sinister, blood clot, dispute Scarlet, drunk on one blood clot, tear down. But me telling a blood clot this. My mama have to go bury me and I me make death. The same God will make life, take life. And any bumper will feel like you can fight me down and torture me. I expect to be able to sit back and take it and lie now blood clot tell. And when I see the man them back out the gun, I say, no, the baby them in the car, I'm here to go chat them start live. I run. I'm live. To see blood clot people sit up. Me never buy that for myself. When I come talk about me know. You know where I got me in a life? None of we know where I got me in a life. When the man in the back of the car said to me, say, gangster, let me out. Everybody with there in England know the story. Me attack it. When the man in the back of the car said, let me out, me in the front, you know. Nobody in the driver. The driver see Ghana shop. And when him say, let me out, everything happened at the same 2 seconds, you know. Me push my hand, come quick, me push my hand, I try to let him out, come I wonder, where I tell me to let him out, but not realizing for the car upon child's lock. So him for said to me, say, go outside. But the letter him say for let him out, me last. So when I say me can't let him out, me run out left blood clot them. Shot start beat. Who them blame? Me. Who them condemn? Me. Who them blood clots and blood clot for? When we look for police, I come at me yard with blood clot, balaclava, 50 blood clot police and big blood clot weapon. I want to know. No. You hear that? None can't tear me down. Me tear down on the dirty blood clot and tear them back myself. Come in a trouble people. Me the peaceful cantankerous bomber wall. And when the police then come and say, them cat come from me for 4 attempted murder. And the one girl where I put a shot at my friend put in a car. And the whole of them turn guns come. I say, me nah got no blood clot coat. Me a hypocrite, me real. Me telling you, on the internet me depend. Me be myself. And I say, me nah got no blood clot coat. Everybody did out there, me nah get involved. Me stand up for myself. And the whole of them condemn blood clots me. And see me to the day. That's 20 years ago. You hear me say? Escada was 1 year and 18 months. And the little baby was 1 year and 18 months. Me not forgot. And I turn my belly inside out. And I take out my tripe. Not to mention when was blood clot dead. When the police them come at me yard, I'm sitting down in the bed. I burn 1 cigarette. So another matter and I never forgot. I'm sitting down in the I don't know what it is to got your murder in England. Eh? I don't know what it is to got the government scheme and the murder that now that to do with shoplifting. Eh? Oh no, dirty blood clot. You don't know, see me get bomber clot worldwide more and third celebrity. And that's why not falling at the local. Oh no, support me dirty blood clot. I went to the day at detention center. And I propaganda say me shit in a wall, shit in a shit. What them say me got on plane and shit up myself and wipe a wall. And I done blood clot me. And when the police then come, cause what happened, you know? What's that Friday the 13th? February. So February, March, April, me go shoplift and get also, you know, the case on. But before I get all before I get go shoplift, the police them come on my yard. Remember, I don't know about murder case and I first me go experience, authority, higher heads, higher kind of, what they call the police them? They have some special different there. One black man there, and them a pressure me. But through my innocent, boy, God is good, you know, man. God good. You see, through my innocent and my nature to it, the deep way deep, I see it, but now I'm outside, I say, blood clot. When them some forgot Jamaica, if me no want to get evidence, no, them some forgot Jamaica for here. Me say me nah got no blood clot Jamaica unless uno send me. Me nah volunteer got no Jamaica. Me telling you something. I got through nothing in life. Police come at my blood clot here, that's Prescott house. Look for me. Me a bad girl. Me a real girl. Me a liar, blood clot girl, and nobody can influence me. If me make a decision for name shit with you, me gonna name shit with you. But you see me follow my heart. Any blood clot decision me make me cope with it. Police come at my yard already, a Prescott house. Over the case after the case. I said to Mr. Janice, if you know anybody will do drugs involved in a gun, tell them. When them sit down. Enough people are informer. You see when you hear them say people are informer, it exists because them put that to me already. Me a bad girl. Me not sell my blood clot soul with authority nor nobody. Any blood clot thing me do that for me generously. None of blood clot can come me. In the right time I can't do card my gate there, them park up with them AC on summertime. And when them talk, I'm say to him, say, if me not involved in a drugs and gun, how me I gonna know somebody who have gun and drugs to tell you? That's me can't come in farm. I want the blood clot done. I think me I done so I come suck blood clot me. And I know them bumper while they watch me now. And I look for me. Who wanna come tell say if me know no man will have gun and drugs? That mean me have the gun and blood clot drugs to associate with them. So none of blood clot no can tell me say me a done so me a fool. Me is a intelligent, cantankerous bomber hole. Wanna can't blood clot trample. Enough me got you in a life. You hear that? Enough for no sell blood clot not and tell her, but me not do blood clot drugs. I'm tired for telling you. So no can't have nothing from blood clot. Me the last time I there at Jamaica and I say me I kept drugs. And never hear me tell us I bring up 2 blood clot care drugs and I mean this England. Me not the drugs bomber hole. Me too real and cantankerous. Been blood clot there, done blood clot that. You hear that? None of blood clot you can catch me and put nothing pan blood clot me. Me the real as the blood clot deal is. Any blood clot, me not red eye. Me powerful. Me lie down in there and swallow my blood clot spit and me a queen. And me now go out there to go blood clot impress no blood clot body. You can't chat to me. And I leave blood clot me alone. Stop coming at my DM and send me things. Me no want to hear nothing from nobody. My bad. You hear me? I tell you now what I got through. Me not you know, see my teeth in blood clot can go video when the girl go put up. I say, call the police and tell the see Kanglia. I want to blood clot on my face, any blood clot thing. Me not have to hide and cover up and pretend. To impress nobody and make things look like, so, oh, me is what my blood clot is. No can't tell me what me is. Me real and dark at the same blood clot time. Yeah, man. When me there prison, so when me get old, cause me attack 10 story, you know. So when that was dead, February, I'm get all at prison now. April, I'm there at the country prison. And the police them come look for me. We do a big long list. All who them a check out for investigate the case. And I come tell me, say, my queen, fluffy wing jag, so we're queen today. So what I not like for myself as a person, I don't do it too good. One of my and not even my church sister, one church sister I know, said to me this morning, say, I'm for done and whatever, and you know the whole works. And she said to me, said, you know, Catherine. I listen, if you come for prayer, you come for prayer. I don't want to hear nothing about cash rate. Because regardless in that church, you come for prayer. I can't